Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're having a great week so far. Now today's video is going to be a super quick one about how you can fund your Gemini account from your Revolut account. This is something that I've struggled with before, but it can be done. I've done it myself and I'm going to show you how. I'll be sharing the best way to fund your Gemini account and what I found out from talking to Revolut about making a transfer from their platform to Gemini. Now, as far as I'm aware, there is no other video out there discussing this, which is why I decided to make this video to quickly cover it from my perspective and my experience trying to send money from Revolut into Gemini. Now, before we get started, I have actually made a whole video talking about buying Bitcoin on both Revolut and Gemini. So if you're interested in that and interested in seeing it in more detail, I'll put a link up here and I'll also link it down in the description. Okay, so when I first set up my Gemini account, I figured that transferring my funds from my Revolut account would be the best option. I mean, after all, whenever I've needed to transfer money before, Revolut has always been the best. For me, it's been by far the best way to do it because it completes its transactions almost instantly. They send me notifications to my phone so I know when it's done, and it's just the best way as opposed to old banks like maybe my Lloyd's account or my HSBC. They just seem to take a lot longer. So I started the ball rolling to fund my Gemini account by going into Account, Setup, Payment Methods. First, I tried to link my Revolut account automatically. That didn't work, so then I tried to do it manually. Now, when setting up payments manually, Gemini will ask you to either make a wire transfer or a CHAPS transfer, and they'll give you a unique reference code to do that. And this can be a bit confusing because they provide you with the bank details for two banks, and that might throw some people off. So I'm going to talk about exactly which one you need to use in this video. So here's how I did it, and here's how I was able to successfully transfer money from my Revolut account into my Gemini account. Okay, so when logging on to the Revolut app then, all you're going to want to do is click Add New Payee, choose Business, and here you only have the option to pay another UK account with a sort code and account number. So that's what you're going to want to do. There's no option to make a payment via a SWIFT or a BIC code. So fill in the account number, fill in the sort code for the beneficiary account that Gemini will provide you with when you click to do this manually. Then click Continue and accept that the account can't be checked by Revolut. Revolut will then ask you to fill in additional information. I'm not sure why they do this, but just go ahead and click OK. Then you'll need to add the beneficiary account's bank address, again, something that Gemini will provide you with. Now, once all of that is done, choose how much you want to transfer. For the example of this video, I'm just going to transfer £5 just to show you guys how it's done. So all in all then, it took around 5 minutes to make this transfer, a lot quicker than I expected because I thought that when Gemini received it, someone might have to manually check my reference code, then allocate that money to my account. But it happened in about 5 minutes, so really, really fast. Now, when I first tried to make a payment from Revolut into my Gemini account, this is a few months back, it couldn't be done, it wouldn't work. I've now tried it again, and there's this workaround, there's this way to do it. You have to do it manually, but it does work, guys. So yeah, as I said, a really quick one today. I hope that you found this useful. If it's something that you've been trying to figure out how to do, because I saw a load of threads on Reddit and things like that, but there was no video explaining and showing how to actually do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next week, guys. Thanks, bye.